fantastic, fantastic view. Lake Louise, look at this.
Thank you very much.
Perfect October morning. And there's the glacier. This is one of those amazing fall days, crystal clear sky. Lots of people here. So there's another shot of the glacier, and over to the right, that round area, that's the tea house. So I've just hiked along the trail along the lake. It took us about half an hour, and we changed our game plan. We're gonna go to the end. I'll show you in a moment. So there's the hotel. Beautiful day today. As you can see, when you get towards the darkness, it's still pretty cool, no sun. Here's the lake below me here, and there's prime rock climbing wall here. And my son has informed me that he has climbed every peak in this area. There's the hanging glacier in the background, Mount Lefroy. People have died on that. And to the left, my son has skied down this slope. He's come back into the mountains from the other side and then came over these mountains and skied down that main area right there down to the lake. And the lake is totally frozen in the winter time. This is kind of like a mud flat now. And in the winter, people snowshoe along the edge of this lake, the Lake Louise, and many people get caught by avalanches coming from that ski slope there. They forget about the overhead hazards, and an avalanche takes them out while they're just snowshoeing on the lake here. You always need to know about your surroundings in the mountains. So we're taking our first rest break. I'm here with my son. This is a stroll for him. It's pretty easy. So here's the path, and we're heading towards the glacier. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful today. That's the hanging glacier in the distance again. There's Mount Lefroy with the hanging glacier right in the middle there. And the Victoria Glacier. Looks like an iceberg lying down. Reminds me of the icebergs of Newfoundland. Very old ice. And up towards this area is the tea house. It's further up on the trail. It's closed for the season now. It closes after the Thanksgiving weekend. And now we're going to be looking down towards the valley, towards Lake Louise. Here's all the boulder fields, all the moraine, all the debris left behind by the glacier retreating. And there's Lake Louise in the distance. Look at that. And the hotel is just a speck in the distance there. Pretty fantastic day. Well, I made it down from the top and I am tired. I haven't done that kind of hike for a while. And look at this peaceful shot now. of Lake Louise. 3:30 in the afternoon.